Hello guys, last class we have discussed about electric cells and types of electric cells. So in that class also we have discussed about the electric current. So in this class we will continue the same lesson, that electricity and circuit. Now the next concept is electric bulb. So now electric bulb, let us see the conventional bulb from inside. A bulb has a glass case mounted on a metallic base. See here the diagram that I have shown here. Bulb, so that has a metallic case, that glass is mounted. Inside the glass case you can see a thin wire coil called filament. See the diagram that inside the glass there is a thin wire, so that is called as filament. As electric current pass through the filament of the bulb, then the filament temperature rises to high. So this filament is made from metal tungsten. So here what happens when the electric current pass through the filament, so its temperature rises to very high. So that filament is made from a metal tungsten. So tungsten is one of the most temperature resistant material. When filament becomes hot, it emits light. So this shows that tungsten is highly reactive when it is hot. And the light bulbs are filled with inert gases such as argon, neon, nitrogen. So inside the bulbs the inert gases are filled, that those inert gases are argon, neon and nitrogen. So this helps to prevent the filament from reacting with air. So these gases will help to prevent the filament reacting with air. So remember that one thing, that never ever touch the bulb after it lights, because it is hot enough to burn your finger. Next slide. So a bulb is connected to an electric cell. See the diagram carefully students, how to connect a bulb with the electric cell. So here see the diagram carefully once again. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the bulb and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the switch. So then from the switch the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the bulb. Like this way you have to connect both battery and bulbs. Next slide. So next thing is electric circuit. So last class we have studied about the electric current. That is what you mean by electric current means the movement or the flow of electric charges. So here the movement electric circuit means the movement of electrons makes electric current flow, and the pathway through which electric current moves is called electric circuit. So here what the way in which direction electric current move, that is called electric circuits. So electric circuits are of two types, that is closed or complete type of circuits, and another one is open or incomplete types of circuit. So you will study about this more in the higher classes. So remember one thing then, closed circuit are closed loops. When the electric circuit is complete, then the current flows, the bulb glows. When electric circuit is complete, what happens? Then the current flows in the circuit and the bulb glows. So in electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell. So this I will show this diagram in the next slide, that the direction of electric current is always taken from positive terminal to the negative terminal. When the electric cell is connected with the bulb by wire, the current passes through the filament and the bulb glows. So when electric circuit is connected to the bulb, the current passes through the wire and the bulb glows. So sometimes it happens that The bulb does not glow even it is connected to a cell. So this may happen because the bulb has fused or else it is dead. So see here the diagram I have shown you that the electric flow of electric current from positive terminal to the negative terminals. So next slide. Okay, next thing is activity. To learn to make an electric circuit to light up an electric bulb. So to do this activity we require electric bulbs, electric cell and connecting wires of different colors. So these things we need to do this activity. What are the things? That is electric bulb, electric cell and connecting wires of the different colors. Remove plastic covering a little from each end of the wires. So what we have to do, some end of the wires plastic covering we have to remove and join the ends of the wire with electric cell and electric bulb with the help of tape as shown in the figure or arrangement. So next is, so see the arrangement 1. So here you will completely see that completely come to know that positive terminal and negative terminal of the cells are connected with the bulb and the circuit is closed and completed. When the circuit is closed or complete, then electric current pass through the circuit, so the electric bulb glows. So in arrangement 1 you are seeing that the bulb is glowing. So next see the arrangement 2. So here positive terminal of the cell is connected to bulb but the negative terminal of the cell is not connected. So it shows that the circuit is open. So I have already told that in open circuit electric current will not flow and the bulb remains off. Similarly in arrangement 3 the negative terminal of the cell is connected to the bulb but the positive terminal of the cell is not connected. So this is also the same case as in arrangement 2. So it is also open circuit and the electric current will not flow, so the bulb remains off. So next arrangement C, fourth arrangement. See the arrangement of fourth. Here both the wires of the electric bulbs are connected to negative terminal. It means only one terminal it is connected. So the electric current will not flow through the circuit. Why? Because always electric current flows from positive to the negative terminal. So here both the wires are connected to negative terminal, so current will not flow and the bulb remains off. So next is arrangement 5. So see here both the wires are connected to positive terminal of the electric cell. So both the wires of the bulbs are connected to the positive terminal of the electric cell. So this is also same condition as that of the fourth. So there is also, here is also current will not flow and the bulb remains off only. Next see the arrangement of 6. Here positive terminal and negative terminal of the electric cells are connected to the bulb and the circuit is closed, so the current flows here and the bulb glows. So see the diagram here. What in arrangement 6 we are seeing that the bulb is glowing. So by conclusion that the electric bulb glows in arrangement 1 and 6 only, whereas the circuit is complete or form a closed loop. Next, so here is a worksheet for this class. A small or some questions from this class, whatever I have told today. So here are the some questions. So how does the electric bulb glow in circuit when it is connected to an electric cell, first question. Second one is what is electric current. Third question is what is electric circuit, sorry. Third question is why inert gases are filled in electric bulbs. Fourth question is what is the direction of electric current in a closed circuit. So this much is the in this class. So next class we are going to see another topics. Take care.